Hi, my name is Yonata Scalo, and welcome to my Nerikomi playlist. This time, I'm going for a longer cane. I want it to wrap around my cup, so the length of this template that I'm using now is the same length of the template that I will cut later, the slab of the cup. The first strip is rolled to 7 mm thick because I want it to be thicker than the other strips. The cut that I'm doing is straight up and down. I'm using the same color as the background of the mug because I plan to have a line in the middle of my pattern, the same color of the background of the mug. The other strips that I'm going to cut for this cane are 5 mm thick. The cut that I'm doing is straight up and down, and all the other stripes that I will make next are the same thickness and cut the same. Here I have all my strips ready for my cane. I'm going to brush them with my toothbrush to create some mud and then stack them one on top of the other. The black strip is the element that I showed in video number 4. It's a white line with thin black borders. I'm wrapping my cane with plastic and letting it rest for at least 1 day for everything to stick together. For my pattern, I need to slice only 2 slices. The thickness strip that I'm using are 5 millimeters thick, and I'm making sure that all the pieces that I'm going to use for the wall of the cup will be 5 millimeters thick. It's important that they will be the same thickness. Here I have all my pieces for the wall of the cup. You can see that one of the cane slices is turned upside down because I want the brown line to be in the middle and to have symmetry inside of my pattern. I'm brushing the areas that are going to join with my toothbrush, and I will press them using this stick for them to connect. I am working on a cotton bed sheet. That's the fabric that I need for later to flatten the surface of the wall of the cup. I'm covering it with another cotton bedsheet fabric, and I'm working with a rib to start flattening the area, making sure there is no wrinkles on the fabric, and if there are, I will pull it up and stretch the fabric. I'm flipping it over to do the same on the other side. I'm running my finger on the top of the slab. This is going to be the rim of the cap. I'm putting the first sheet of plastic before I will flip the piece over. I'm running my finger on the other side, on the rim of the cap. And I finished the plastic wrapping. I will let it sit for at least 1 day to stick. I'm going to cut the wall of the cap with my template. This time the cut is an angled cut. On both sides. To see how I finished the cap, please go and watch video number 1 on this Nerikomi playlist. I'm holding the metal rib like this. I'm folding the end and I'm scraping the cup. The pattern goes through the wall, so there is no problem to scrape it. This is the final cup. You can see the Nerikomi pattern on the outside and on the inside. I love it.